Hey, it's Dustin, Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step instructional video on how to replace the kick plate on your GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The toe kick plate hides and protects the underside of the dishwasher. It may need to be replaced if it becomes cracked, broken, or heavily scratched. In addition to improving the appearance of the appliance, the toe kick plate helps prevent accidental contact with internal components and protects them from damage. It also helps block food, utensils, or other objects from rolling underneath the dishwasher. Tools needed for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver. To remove the toe kick plate, locate the 2 screws on either end of the kick plate. Remove each fastener and set them aside. If you need to purchase a new toe kick plate, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. Please note that the new kick plate does not include fasteners. If you need replacement screws, you can click the link below. To install your new kick plate, align the mounting holes at the top and be sure that the grooves on the kick plate are facing the appliance. Begin by installing one of the 2 fasteners, but do not fully tighten it. Then start the second fastener and tighten it until it is snug. Return to the first screw and finish tightening. Avoid over-tightening either screw, as this can damage the kick plate. Please be mindful that if you need to pull your dishwasher out from underneath the counter, you may need to loosen or remove the kick plate to prevent damaging it when moving the appliance. Once both fasteners are fully tightened, your kick plate is now installed and your dishwasher is ready to use. That'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin, Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.